This is the video of how to install the D035 coupler while adjust the handbrake. And let's take a look at this right one. So here you see the handbrake there is straight here. So it is braking in effect right now. While you are installation ready of the D035 coupler here, and let's take a look at this area. So you see we have three screw holes here, 1, 2, 3, and this is the third one. Here you see from this way, you can see this platform, the chassis platform is parallel with this, the first screw. So this is the correct way. So when you are installing the screws till the last, this is incorrect. So like this, do like this. The parallel here, the screw this way, and the brake in effect just in the same line. And this is the correct way of handbrake installation in line with the D035 off-road coupler here. So let me know if you got it or any questions. Welcome to share. Thank you.